Hello fellow photographers and upcoming photographers. Today I'll be talking about RAW versus JPEG. The first benefit of shooting in RAW is you have an ability to be able to correct the exposure after shooting the pictures. When you're sitting down, you're able to correct the exposure. If the lighting is too much, you're able to take it down. So that's the first benefit. And the second benefit, you're able to like capture more details than JPEG. Having JPEG is like you are buying something that is already cooked. You don't really need to cook it again. So with RAW, you are able to capture like more details. And the other thing is like RAW, the third thing is that like RAW is flexible when it comes to editing. When you're editing your pictures, you're able to change all the colors the way you want if you're using RAW. But with JPEG, you are limited. Yeah, you can only do like few things when you're using JPEG. And the fourth benefit is that like even if like maybe your editing skills were not good at that time when you're taking those pictures, with RAW pictures you are able to come back later on, maybe after a year or something, when you have gained new skills, and be able to edit with the new styles that we recently got. Why are other people still shooting in JPEG? Maybe someone might shoot in JPEG because they are lacking space to save their RAW files, or they are lazy to edit. And the other reasons, it might be not knowing the benefits of shooting in RAW. There are a lot of benefits of shooting in RAW. I just sampled 4 benefits of shooting in RAW. If we can recap, the first benefit is that you're able to correct your exposures. The other benefit is that like it captures more detail, and the other benefit is that like you're able to, it's flexible when you're editing. And the last benefit is that you are able to come back later and do some changes and also post those pictures with high quality. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to recommend this video to other photographers, other upcoming creators, so that we can learn and be better in what we are doing.